What's up, everybody? This is Evo, and y'all go ahead and start ringing the alarms right now, because America, we have a problem. Our gift from a Virgo, H-Town Queen, Beyonce, have dropped her liquor, SirDavis. Right here, before we even get to tasting it, let me tell you about it. SirDavis is named after a grandfather, great-great-grandfather, that had something to do with the Prohibition. So it's in honor of him. The bottle, as you can tell, it look nice. It's a rye and barley blend. Give me that feeling of like the Trojan and Spartan war, like a sword handle. So I really like the bottle, how it looking at SirDavis. You get it, sir? You know, back then. But never mind. So let's go ahead and get to tasting it. Or first, look. Oh, I like this smell. Smell like vanilla. A little vanilla on it. But go ahead and pour a little bit up. Got a little ice on it.